Hello happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to show you all a really cool deal that I found. I found this really affordable bling box on Amazon. I did post this in my community tab a little while ago, and I noticed that they still have it on sale, and it's under $8 for this cool little bling box. So I'm gonna show you guys it really quick and show you what's included so that if you guys are wanting to get your hands on it, you can. But this here is what the bling box looks like. I'm gonna flip it over. This is what all the bling looks like inside the box itself. I really like this container a lot, but it came with a lot of cool goodies. So I wanted to unbox it with you guys here on camera really quick, okay? So that you could really get your hands on it. I love the fact that on the front of the box, they give you all instructions on how to properly apply the bling, file and clean your nails, squeeze out the gel glue, place the rhinestones, put the tweezers to place it, fill in gaps, apply top coat, and then another way to do it is to apply a layer of the rhinestone glue, sprinkle on crystals, and then gently scrape off the edges and remove excess rhinestones. Okay, so that's how to apply the Pixie crystals. And then here at the bottom, this is also really cool too. They're giving you some ideas for bling placement, you guys. And that's something I feel like when I first started doing bling on my nails, I really struggled with. I'm like, I don't know what design or how to place them on the nail. So I really love that they give you all some different ideas about how to apply the bling to the nails. That's really cool. This feels very nice and complete. So I am gonna go ahead though and open her up. Oh, that's nice. It snapped on the sides too. That's extra security. Alright, let's open her up. Oh, how cute, y'all. Look at this bling box. Love it. So I'm gonna give you guys an up close of all the bling. Beautiful. Oh my god, I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so it comes with all the different smaller rhinestones. They go from large to medium to really small. And then they got these different shaped rhinestones here. These are AB crystals, so they have a really nice shift to them. Now, they look like they good quality now, okay? They look lovely, all right? Got like the diamond shape, oval, trapezoid, oval, rhombus shaped, oval shaped, some really beautiful hearts, teardrops, longer teardrops, rectangular, the little swirl, square. So you get a lot of different sizes and shapes in this. But then what I also loved is they also included tools for you to do your nails too. So over on this side, I really like this storage of this bling box. So I'm gonna, how do I do it? Let me see, maybe I'll do it this way. So I want to bring it back just a little bit here, like so. And so on this side right here, it comes with a triangle to be able to you know, hold and display your bling or like set it up. And then it also comes with this pencil sharpener, which is great. That's in particular for these wax pencils that they include. You do get 2 wax pencils. You just sharpen it up in here, and that's how you can move and place your bling. Let me move this way. And then also you get some tweezers in here. Like I said, you get the 2 wax pencils, you get a bling tray, which is nice. This is really good for like flipping all of your bling over. So for instance, say if I, you know, was trying to put bling on my nails, you just shake it really quick and it flips all the bling over to the right side to make it easier. So that's really cool. You can pour it right back in there when you're done. This is really good for like sorting and organizing bling, especially with this little sprout here. And then you get all the Pixie crystals, you guys. Oh my gosh. I've actually not ever done any nails with Pixie crystals, and this is just making me want to give it a try. But you get all of these tiny, beautiful little Pixie crystals as well. So you get all of this in this kit. And so yeah, you guys, I thought this was a really great deal. You get all of this in this kit for under $8. You get all your bling, you get all the tools and supplies you need to apply the bling. Only thing you're missing is bling gel, and that stuff's really affordable now. I'll link to one of my favorites, which is McCart's. Their rhinestone glue is pretty much always on sale now for like $6.99, so I'll leave that link down below. But I thought this was a really great deal. Definitely wanted to make sure I came on here really quick, showcase it to you guys. But yeah, this was a really great deal. I definitely wanted to make sure I came on here and showcased it to you guys. I also have a video a couple years back. I did like all these like hauls with different rhinestone, different bling boxes from Amazon. I'll also link to a couple of those videos down in the description box below, because I think I paid less than $10 for all of those bling boxes, and they came with like the beautiful rhinestone pickers and the really big, huge bling cases. But I like the smaller footprint on this. And like I said, y'all, that bling is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, again, it's under $8. I think right now it's currently $7 and some change. So go on there, snag it if you guys are in need of a bling box or want an affordable one. And then, like I said, the footprint on it is really small for storage. And I do try to upload deals on Amazon that I find every single week. And so if you all are ever wanting to know about any recent deals that I found, definitely go check out my community tab. You can also follow my Amazon storefront because I also update that weekly. So yeah, I'll also link to my Amazon hauls and playlists. I have done a lot of hauls from Amazon, and so I'll leave that link down below as well. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!